Hi all. Today we'll see how to install Cursor AI. Just open any of your favorite browser. Just type here Cursor AI. Okay. Scroll down. Click on this official website cursor.com and scroll over. Like if you want to try here demo, also you can click on request demo. Just I am going to download and install. Right. Click on download here. Scroll down. It will show here the different platforms like for Mac OS, Windows, Linux, different types of versions it's available here. So I am going to download for the Windows. The latest is 3.0. Okay, click on the downloads link. It will take some time because it's only because I have already downloaded this one. So just I'm canceling this one. Then I'll go to the downloads folder. Here it is. So just click on double click. It will ask you for a few permissions while installing. Here just click on the accept the agreement, just click on next. Okay, this is the path where this cursor is going to install. So but I'm going to change this path to different folder. So that's up to you guys, like wherever if you want to install, so you can install specific drive. So I'm going to the D drive here, click on okay, just click on next. This is the path, like the folder. Just this is fine with the default one also. Fine, default folder is absolutely fine, no need to change anything. Click on next. And so I'm going to select the create a desktop icon and open the cursor, these things. So if you want to go and search inside, then not required to check this desktop icon. That's up to you guys. Click on next. So and click on the next. It's installing. While installing, it will ask for some few permissions. Just click on yes. It started now. Here the installation is completed now. Just I'm clicking on the finish here. Just I'm minimizing the page here. It will launch automatically. Just I'm clicking on double click here. Few times it won't open. It will take some time. For now, like I'm clicking on for installation. Yeah, I have opened now. So you will see here the two options, sign up and login. If you have already account, please proceed with login, because I don't have the account. Just here we're able to see, right, continue sign on. Just click on continue to sign on. It will ask you to continue with Google or continue with GitHub or continue with Apple. So whatever you have, you just if you want to continue with the sign up, you can use that one. So I'm going to click on continue with Google here. Okay, I'm going to use the same account. So just I'm clicking on the continue here. Myself, click on any yes on your, that's fine. Like I'm clicking on with software engineer. Skip for now. Pro plan. I don't want to continue with pro plan. Just skip for now. Continue. Maybe later. You all said like yeah. We just click on later, like download cursor start building. I'll just click on this later because we have account, right? So you don't need to click on anything here. Okay, just come to here, click on login. So yeah, yes, login, all set. Just come here. Yeah, it's completed. You're able to see, right? So here you're able to see, right? Just click on new project here. Okay, so I'll create the new folder for the test. Okay, create the project here. Select this the folder. This is the first time, right? So it will take some time. So here click on the file here. Click on file here. Yeah, this thing. Click on file, new file. Okay, just save this one. You can write like whatever you want to write here. So because this is one, yeah, click on save as index.html. So you can use your, you can write your code. See, you are able to see, right? The HTML version you are able to see, right? So you can write your first code and then you can run. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope